have completed my BTech from Computer Science Engineering, and I've joined Qspiders in December 2024. Here I learned a lot. I have completed many subjects. Core Java, which was completed by Anvit sir. He teaches us a lot and also help us to gain motivation and motivated us to give presentation and more, which really help in giving the interviews. It really boosts up the confidence. Devasi sir, he also took the Java classes, some advanced concept he taught us, and I also learned automation, Java Selenium, and manual testing and SQL. Chandrakanta sir taught us the manual testing, and he gave the concepts, important questions which company frequently asked, and in automation. In Java Selenium, sir taught us every important concept which really help in the company in cracking the interviews. The faculty here is really very good. Like they help us in the studies as well as in our personal life. We share our problems, like we are having difficulties in understanding some concept, or not able to giving the interviews or mock. They provide the proper grooming and all. Yeah, and finally I have joined as software trainee intern.